In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your account details on the Wise website. Whether you're new to Wise or just in need of a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need at your fingertips. To begin, you'll want to access the Wise website by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wise login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to log into your account securely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all your accounts and transactions are conveniently displayed. Next, you'll direct your focus to the home section of your account. This is usually one of the first tabs available on your dashboard, providing an overview of your financial activity and accessible accounts. Here, you'll be able to see all your available currency accounts listed. Now, it's time to select the specific currency account you're interested in checking. You might find multiple accounts if you've opened balances in various currencies, so make sure to choose the correct one. Clicking on the desired currency account will give you access to more detailed options for managing that particular currency. Once you've selected your account, look for the Receive button or an option labeled as Account Details. By clicking this, you'll be able to view the full set of banking information associated with your chosen currency. This section is crucial, especially if you need to provide your account details for transfers or payments. Upon accessing the account details, you'll see important information displayed clearly on your screen. This will typically include your account number and, depending on the currency, an IBAN or SWIFT code. These are essential pieces of information you might need when receiving money or sharing your banking details for various transactions. Additionally, you'll notice that Wise has included a feature allowing you to easily copy these details. This is particularly useful as it prevents errors that can occur from manually typing sensitive banking information. You can simply click on the copy option to ensure the accuracy of your account details when sharing them with others. And there you have it, a straightforward way to view and manage your Wise account details right from the website. It's a process designed to be as user-friendly as possible, ensuring you can access vital information whenever necessary. I hope this guide has been helpful, demystifying the navigation of account details on Wise and empowering you with the necessary knowledge to handle your financial operations confidently. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or require further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this.